And welcome! Last time we rehouse these two babies, and now it's time to rehouse last two. We start with Acanthoscurria Genicukata, and then this big box we have Lasiodora Parahybana. And as I was talking about on unboxing video, with these two they have very nasty irrigating hairs. They might kick them fairly easily, so I'm wearing gloves just in case. I don't wear a mask right now because you can't hear anything what I'm saying if I'm wearing mask. So let's hope this goes very smoothly. They don't kick any hairs and things is fine. And I don't die. And I don't get any breathing problems because I have to work today. But what kind of enclosure we need to get for this Brazilian whiteknee tarantula? We need to give just hide and water dish. That's all. Mainly dry substrate, sometimes overflow our water dish. Simple, right? There we go. Big little starting burrow. Give a little height for our friend. And then our water dish. On this corner again. Why this corner? It's only easier. Easier that way. Like on this handle side, it's not worst, but at least for me, front is easier to access. And then some leaf litter. Now I have a little bit different leaf than last time. So we run out. Ooh, we have sticks in here. Cool. I could use these sticks on who you were. Oh, chromatop. No, not. Yeah, Chromatopelma cyopubescens, something like that. Our blue bottle tarantula. But yeah, I think our enclosure is ready now. So let's be very careful. Catch cup is ready. Move you aside. Hopefully you can be there. Let's open this box. Look, I haven't seen yet how this looks like, but I assume it's exactly, almost exactly like those two others. Very blend color. Very blend color before they mature, and then they will look beautiful. Okay, my friend. Now it's time to leave your home. Wow, you are small, but you have, oh my god. It has already those white rings on its leg. It looks so cool. Wow. This is a little bit like same thing than that Brachypelma amelia. Even as small baby, it looks almost like colorful. Hello, my friend. You're also super tiny. Yeah, let's take you away from cup. And now, only thing what I need to remember, don't oh, this is also full of hair. Don't scratch my nose, even that my beard and mustache sometimes are itchy. No matter what I do, don't scratch my face. That is not a good thing. Well, at least I have heard from big boys that it's not a good thing. Hey friend, are you alive? Is everything okay? Okay, you are alive, cool. I was very concerned it didn't move. Okay, now you're backing up. You're awake. Did you were I think you were sleeping or some kind of sleep mode. I should get you down. You like to be friendly? I hope I can zoom in and you can see this gorgeous looking baby. It's just very awkward with this freaking towel. Can you go? There you go. Cool. That was easy, simple. And it's in home. Wow! I'm getting better at this. And now you go in box. We close you so we don't get any extra. Oops, actually I can't toss you. I need your name. I mean I know your name. But you know. But yeah. Let's get you a little bit higher so we can hopefully see you. You're right there. And we can talk about you a little bit. It's so small, it's so cute. But yeah, Brazilian white-knee tarantula. Again, obviously, just realized when I was checking these species that I got so many from Brazil. But Brazil has amazing tarantulas, I must say. But yeah, from Brazil, and we must be very careful with those hair. They might kick them easily. Just little hide, dry-ish substrate, and sometimes overflow our water bowl so it can choose if it wants chill in a little bit more humid or dry substrate. When it's growing, it's 21 centimeters. This is 10 by 10 by 10. So this baby, which is now, I would say maybe 1 centimeter, this baby will be this size. 2 enclosures wide when it's adult. So I can't wait to see this growing, because this growing, oh my, it's going to be so crazy. 21 centimeters. that's a big spider. And then a female can live up to 20 years, and a male is about 4 years. So yet again, let's hope we have a female, and I will be 50 years old when this one dies out. And I'm already very old. But yeah, that's everything from our Genicukata. And then our next patient. Our biggest, this one, like all of these were like S size, and this is M. So I can't wait to see what size it actually is. Obviously bigger than those, but and it's in bigger box and everything. But for this, it digs burrows. So we need substrate, hide, water bowl, nothing special, lives on ground. So let's fill this up. fill this up and this is a little bit big for this particular enclosure. But hopefully we can live with it. We can't. I mean, this is not perfect, but it's something. And for this one, we definitely put water dish on the back, just because this front entrance is here. I just have always a feeling I'm adding too much substrate. So everyone is always saying, don't like put enough substrate, don't put too little. And then I have a feeling I'm putting too much stuff in it, like too much leaf litter or such. Because these are so tiny boxes, you know? And here we don't have too much space for leaf litter, so let's put just a few. Like so. Pretty as a baby. And again, I'm still wearing these gloves. Still wearing gloves. We have water bowl, we have hide. There's a lot of substrate what it can dig. So a little bit nervous, but let's find out. And mainly, most important thing, these all has been alive so far. So let's hope that this fourth one is also all good. It has kicked hairs. I can see that. It's not in that corner, it's in this corner. Hello, my friend. Oh, it's bigger. I mean, obviously it's bigger. What the hell I was expecting? It's M size, so obviously it's bigger. It must be bigger. Hello. Which way you like to get out? There's so much paper that I am not very comfortable with this. And it's like moving inside, turning every single direction. What the hell we where it can. Like now there's open path. Would you like to take it? Your new home. You're free, Willy. You're free. There you go. Come out. Be brave. You're free. I know it's a little bit chill. My door is open. I'm so sorry about it. My cat wants to go outside. Shit. Now I have no idea where the hell it is. Okay, it's back. They taped this fucking towel. Oh, okay. Let's turn it again, and we have visual confirmation where it is. That's very important. Okay. I'm so sorry, friend. This must be horrible. Twisting and turning constantly. I definitely understand why they put water towel or this paper towel, because they can have humidity here while they're traveling. That's important, so they have water source. But fuck, this is awful when you try to get your tarantula out. Oh, that was nice. Cool. Ooh, stay there, please. Thank you. Enclose all hair inside this box. Woo! And this is also a reason why I'm using only these tweezers with my tarantulas. Always when I'm feeding, always when I'm handling something what has been inside these enclosures, because this might have those irrigating hairs, and I don't want these to go, example, with my scorpion or my ant farm. So these are only for tarantulas. But yeah, that went well. That went well. Are you thirsty? Like, I would say that this one is same size than when I got my Pulled Stripe and Emilia. About same size. And now we have time. Now I don't need my gloves anymore, because I don't touch anything anymore. Everything's fine. So, our Lasiodora Parahybana, like real common name, is Brazilian salmon pink bird eater tarantula. That is mouthful. Brazilian salmon pink bird eater tarantula. And only that bird eater is giving fairly nice indicator what size tarantula this is going to be. 28 centimeters when it's adult. Actually, I don't want to touch on the box. 28 centimeters. You remember this one was 10. That's now 30. 30 centimeters. Don't scratch my face with my hands, please. So it's going to be about almost this big when it's adult. These three freaking enclosures size. That's enormous. And I can't wait. And of course, when it's adult, it needs so big enclosure as well. But it's crazy. It's crazy. Super cool. Life expectation is 15 years for females and 5 years for male. And enclosure is very simple. Just have hide, water bowl, space to burrow if it wants. It likes digging, a little bit like my Pull Stripe. So I can expect interesting life while following this bulldozer as well. A little bigger bulldozer eventually. For this one, I can right away feed mealworms. That's for sure. But this tiny, freaking tiny baby. Small crickets. Or no, not crickets, roaches. I mean, crickets would be even better, but I don't have any crickets. But though I'm my Red Runner farm is getting bigger, so I can definitely take few babies and feed for these three. This one is definitely ready to eat those small mealworms. Whew, that was exciting. I can't like now. I need to go work, and I'm just constantly thinking about these four babies. But everyone was alive. That's a very good thing. Everyone is in new closure. Even better thing. And for these one as well, I'm waiting a few days before I feed. Before I feed them. So let's have a time jump. And now it's 2 days later. And as you can see, there's exclamation marks on these enclosures. And this means that they have those very irritating hairs, so I must be careful. But since we don't rehouse them, I'm not planning to wear gloves at least. Until someday maybe I get hairs and then they're super itchy and I will wear full protection always. But this Lasiodora has been super active. Like it's been digging tunnel all the way down here, and it was moving all substrate on this corner, and now it's made all stable and clean. Although water dish is all the way under substrate, so we need to dig that as well. But this Lasiodora has been mega active. It's been super enjoyable to watch how it goes. And our Genicukata, it's just so tiny, it's so cute. But it's been also digging a little burrow on this corner. And it's in the burrow right now, and I'm a little bit worried we don't even get it out, and we can't even feed it. And I was planning to give my roach babies, but bloody hell, I realized I don't have any roach babies anymore. They have all grown up, and they are getting more babies or laying eggs soon. So I will get babies at some point. But I found my very smallest worm. So let's try if I manage to even reach down there and give this we. I'm getting some kind of brain seizure. Meal worm for it, but this Lasiodora, I'm very sure it's going to be attacking. I hope at least, because it's outside right now. So let's give one full mealworm for it, because it's bigger. It's bigger. You're right there, so let's open our lid very carefully. Ooh, you are going down. Yeah, it's fine. But I have a treat for you. Would you like it? You like it? I like to poke it to the leg a little bit. But then I'm worried that we don't see any takedown, even if it's turning around. Okay, it's turning, it's turning. Do you want food? Do you want food? No? Oh, that's shame. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is problem. It didn't eat, and now the bloody worm is going deeper and deeper in the burrow. And I don't want to make this tarantula scared. Good thing is that this worm is coming back. Oops. Catch up ready. Please don't burrow. Please don't burrow. Yes, come out. Come out. And no, this catch cup is not for the worm. It's for tarantula. So it's very bad if it's burrowing, but it's coming out. Awesome. It's coming out. Thank you. So you don't want warm? Are you sure? Okay, cool. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation. So that was no-go. Sad. And then this one. This is so tricky. It's all the way down there. And it's so bloody small. And it's so difficult to reach. And all that other shenanigans. Now we are most probably losing one small baby worm for nothing. But good thing is that we have a bunch, and hopefully I manage to make them grow bigger and fully grown and evolve so they can lay eggs and we get more. My plan. Like, I think my last mealworm farm, I mean, it wasn't a farm, they never reproduce, but just my mealworm patch that lasts like 8 months. So I think we are fine even if they don't reproduce. Although now we have much more mouth feed. Do you want? You can't see anything. Although I don't think there's anything to see. Because I was thinking that if you would have a roach, baby roach, I could just leave it in this enclosure. And maybe this tarantula will eat it. But since it's down there, we can assume it's not hungry. And it doesn't want food. So maybe this is very anticlimactic end for the video, since none of these tarantulas were eating. But of course it's understandable, they are in completely... Oh, shite. Well, now the mealworm is down there. In the hatch. Sadly, tarantula isn't doing anything. Are you coming out? Yeah, you're coming out. Oh, god damn it. Please eat it. It's food. It's turning around. Please attack. Please attack, because I don't want to leave that down there, because it will definitely mold, and then we need to rehouse this tarantula at some point, or remove substrate. Come on. You can do it. It's food. Your abdomen is kind of small-ish, I would say. Ooh, we got a takedown! Oh, that's so nice. Thank you so much. Saving our feeding video. No, this is feeding video, but end of our rehousing video. Oh, I'm so pleased. Enjoy your food, my friend. Enjoy your food. But yeah, sadly, only one takedown on this video. Last video we got one takedown. But that's more than nothing. But yeah, I always keep saying I'm so excited about the future of these tarantulas and owning them, and I can't say it enough. I'm super excited. I can just definitely recommend tarantulas for anyone who wants like viewing pets, not handling pets. Of course you can handle some of those tarantulas, but that's not going to be my thing, and I have my cat if I want pet something. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, hopefully you liked it, and if you did, remember hit the like button so other people can find our videos and our channel and we can grow together. Until next time, stay awesome as always. Bye bye!